Hello South Africa. Today is Friday, June 24, 2022 and here is Lifestyle Highlight. Nike has just done it. Top brand latest to exit Russia. Nike said Thursday it will permanently leave the Russian market after suspending its operations over the conflict in Ukraine, joining a long list of Western firms that have pulled out the country. Nike temporarily closed its stores in Russia after Russian troops entered Ukraine in late February, triggering unprecedented sanctions and sparking an exodus of foreign firms such as Adidas, Ikea, H&M, McDonald's and Starbucks. Nike Incorporated made a decision to leave the Russian market, the US apparel maker said in a statement. The Nike stores were temporarily closed recently and will not reopen. It added that its website and app will no longer be available in the country. Last month, the US company said it will not be renewing licensing agreements with Russian retailers. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.